जय श्री कृष्णा। आज स्थिति ये आ गई है कि इन ए कंट्री लाइक यूएसएस, such a powerful and strong country, what is happening in their campuses across USA? Now today the foreign policy of US will be dictated by their students in the campuses. That is the situation which has come. Now it reminds me of Kanhaiya Kumar. I hope you all remember. This guy is contesting elections from Delhi on a Congress ticket. ये वही कन्हैया कुमार है जिसको कि आप सब जानते होंगे, भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे इंशाअल्लाह इंशाअल्लाह इंशाअल्लाह। अफजल हम शर्मिंदा हैं, तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं। So guys, be careful. What Congress is promoting is in front of you by giving tickets like people like Kanhaiya Kumar. And now what has happened in last 2 days? The ex-chief minister of Congress from Punjab says the recent attack on our Air Force personnel has been a handiwork of BJP, RSS. A very senior leader from Maharashtra says the ATS chief, Mr. Katkare, was assassinated not by Kasab but by the cop affiliated to RSS or the BJP. They can go so bloody down. While opposing Modi, they started opposing the country. They are speaking in the same language as Pakistan, where our country is going to be if a political party like Congress comes to the power. Do you want an India of tomorrow like what Europe is today? There are hardly 8 to 10% of the Muslims there, but you see the condition of Europe, it's already a gone case. What happens when you have a weak leader in the center? You are seeing it in USA, happening it in USA. Do you want a weak leader? Do you want a country which will play in the hands of Islamists, jihadis? I don't think so. Neither the Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, nobody would like it. It's not good for anybody. It's not good for India. So guys, think 100 times before you vote. Today is the time. Please exercise your vote for the future of India. Not for a country which is run by fundamentalists, jihadis. Not by a government which started with the secularism as appeasement to minorities. And let me tell you what minorities means for Congress. For the minorities are not Jains, not Buddhists, not Sikhs, not Parsis, not Christians. When they speak about minority, they talk about only one community. And they made it very clear during their recent speeches. When they say minority, especially so and so. So, they started with the secularism means the appeasement to the minorities. And then now today, their manifesto is very clear, their speeches are very clear. When they talk about secularism, they talk about opposing Sanatan. They are anti-Sanatan. And I remind you again and again, the India is secular as long as Hindus are the majority in this country. There is no country in the world, there is no country where the Muslims are in the majority and which is a secular country. You give me a single example. So it's equally important both for Hindus, Muslims, Christians or everybody, for every Indian it is important that India remains a secular country. That means India remains a Hindu nation. So Sanatan को बचाना है, secularism को बचाना है, so you have to keep these forces away. So please think before you vote. Once again I request, please go and vote. Exercise your rights, save this nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.